Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rachel, and I'm really glad I didn't scare you away with my last video. If you're new here, like, comment, and subscribe, and just binge watch the rest of my videos. Right now there's only 2 other ones, so you came at the beginning. Good job. Sorry that it's been a while since I posted a video. It's been a little bit crazy with holidays and everything, so it's been a bit hard to upload a video, but I'm back and better than ever. I know you missed me. In this week's video, I'm going to be showing you guys heatless hairstyles for whenever you want. We all know using a straightener, a curling iron, a blow dryer constantly is not great for your hair. Sometimes your hair just needs a break. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the ways you can still look stylish and give your hair that needed break from the 450-degree heat. If you're interested in seeing many ideas on how to style all of this, then keep on watching. First way I recommend styling your hair is headbands. Now I know everyone stopped wearing headbands in 5th grade, but I think that there are actually some really cool and stylish ways, which I'm going to be showing you. But you can use sporty headbands, fancy headbands, unique headbands. You can make your own headbands, go crazy, do whatever you want. But definitely headbands are the way to go if you want to just throw something on, but still tie your outfit together and look a little more put together.
My Renaissance headband that everyone makes fun of me for, a pearl headband for the fancier days. Here's a scarf that I got on Amazon. It's kind of like a Hermes scarf, so if you want to fool everyone while balling on a budget, do so. Tie it in a bow for a really cute, unique look. I bought a pack of sporty headbands on Amazon to make me look athletic, even though I can barely run a mile.
If you want to work a little bit harder, you have a little bit more time, I suggest braids. So my hair isn't that long as you can see, but braids do fit in it. There are tons of different braids, which I'm about to show you, that you can do. Some are quick and easy. You can do them the night before, but definitely try the braids if you want to go for a little bit of an extra bougie look, a little bit more like, I put some effort into my look today instead of just rolling out of bed and throwing my hair in a ponytail like I did my entire freshman year of high school. But definitely recommend braids all the time.
This is a quick fast forward of how to braid your hair. That's going to be the basis for all of these hairstyles. So if you don't know how to do that, I suggest watching this part specifically. And I have that really annoying one piece of hair that just falls out no matter how I do it. So this look is going to be pigtails, which some don't like because they say it looks like you're a little girl, but I say hold on to your childhood as much as you can. Get that Pippi Longstocking look. 1, 2, 3. That's all you need to braid your hair, just a snap of your fingers. I really like half up looks, so putting your hair in a half pony, then braiding it, gives you a put together look that you haven't spent that much time on. Here's a Dutch braid featuring my uneven hair that won't stay inside of a braid, but still really cute. And a classic is just braid a strand of your hair and pin it back.
Clips. Let me tell you, this summer, everyone was wearing a pearl clip. And I know, don't conform to trends, but I did it too. They're actually cute, but I say that, put your own twist on it. I do have other ones. You can pull back your hair. Definitely something that headbands don't always do is sometimes you just want it out of your face. I understand, like, you ever get that urge to just shave all your hair off because you're like, I'm done, I can't do this.
So this is the classic pearl clip you've been seeing everywhere on your Instagram feed, but we're going to change it up with a leopard clip. Go crazy, still use clip. Here we have a claw clip that pulls my hair back in a really comfortable way while still looking cute. And here's my favorite go-to concert look. It creates mini pigtails in my hair using mini clip. Try using some bobby pins to create an X look in your hair or really cool shapes.
Okay, ponytails get so much slack, but there are ways you can pull your hair back without looking like a founding father. And I'll show you all the different ways you could style a ponytail.
So this is me in a literal scrunchie. I use it all the time. I happen to like coordinating my scrunchies to my outfits, but this is what it looks like in my hair. Nice and fluffy, adds a nice detail to my outfits. These are great for not leaving a mark in your hair. This is really cool if you want to add a special detail to your hair. It clamps it around. And here is our favorite thing again, the scarf. Y'all know we love this scarf. And I'm just going to do what I've been doing and tie it around to add a little extra pizzazz. And I don't know what I did there. I'm so sorry for that. But it gives a nice, cool vintage look. And here we are channeling our inner kindergartner with some pigtails, which can be cute if done the right way.
Last but not least, buns. Let me tell you, they hurt sometimes, but they look beautiful. You can style buns in tons of different ways. You can definitely do it in a more comfortable, relaxed way and a more like posh way. Buns are super underrated because people think that the only way to do it is to make a messy bun, which I promote messy buns. Like, please, I do it all the time. You can ask anyone. Like, my hair is most days a weight. I feel like most girls can relate. So definitely keep watching if you want to see the different buns.
Magic, my hair is done just like that. Here's a ballerina bun just for you guys. Tie it with that scarf we've seen. Go for a visco girl look. Go for 2 space buns. Go for a half bun. Just go crazy. Honestly, the best heatless hairstyle is going natural. Show off those luscious locks the way God intended. You get it, girl. You show that world that your hair is just as beautiful as anyone else's.
Okay, guys, and that is my video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for the response on my past 2 videos. Right now, we are currently up to 50 subscribers. What mind-blowing. I just started this channel 2 weeks ago, and already 50 of you have decided to dedicate a portion of your YouTube to me. I'm gonna cry. No, but seriously, it means the world to me, especially because it's really scary putting yourself out there. But you guys are making me feel really loved, and just people want my videos. And yeah, definitely don't forget to share this channel with your friends, because why should they get to miss out on all that is me? I know, a little bit conceited, but it's fine. Definitely keep leaving comments down below on what you want to see. Please keep on watching. You know, the different hairstyles you do when you want to feel a little bit more put together but you have no energy to, you know, straighten or curl or blow dry your hair. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I know you're going to enjoy my next video. Bye!